How you doing? My name is Joel Ma, aka Joelistics. I'm here with Neura for Music and Tech, and today we are looking at the Moisturiser. To ask what is the Moisturiser, we need to know what is Reverb. Let's have a listen to a synth. That is a synthesizer with no effects. If we were to add reverb, so reverb is the sound of space, putting an instrument into a room or into a hall or into a church. It's the air around the acoustic sound that you're creating. In this case, we are using springs and running the sound through the springs to create a sense of space. If I'm to tap on the springs, you can hear that wild, large space that is formed. And the beautiful thing about this unit is that you can play the springs themselves to get some really wild sounds. So spring reverbs are commonly found in guitar amplifiers or inside organs, associated a lot with music from the 70s and the 60s. It's a really twangy reverb sound. This particular unit is special because it has attached a filter to the back of the reverb. So if I play the synth with the reverb and then bring in the filter, I can create complex LFOs built not just off the signal of the synthesizer, but the signal of the springs to create these amazing rhythms and screaming tones. As you can see, the Moisturiser becomes an instrument unto itself, something that takes the magnified sound of those exposed springs and gives you a tactile, machine-esque violence. And just by scraping my finger across the springs and then bringing in that filter, it's a little magic box. Got particular applications. You might not use it in every single song, but as a way to process other sounds or as a way to build textures behind something, it really is a little wonderland. Having that exposed reverb, having the filter, an ability to push the signal and distort it through the gain, oof, it's hefty.
Hey gang, Sean here from Neura. If you liked this episode, then check out the last episode of our Music and Tech series.